Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is day 24 and this is our hurdle stitch. So we are working on this really fun and easy 4-row repeat, but 2 of them are just knit both of the rows. So this one's really simple. So this is our right side of our work, and if we flip it around, this is the wrong side. But honestly, this one's really cute too. I actually really like this way too. So this would be a really good reversible pattern if you wanted to do a scarf or even a blanket, something that you'd want to be reversible. This would be a really cute stitch for that. All right, so we are going to start with our first 2 rows, which are just to knit all the way across. So row 1 and row 2 of our repeat are knit. And it's going to create this great garter line across the center of our work. Row 3 is going to be knit 1, purl 1. So I've added a couple of garter edges here, so I'm going to do those first, but then we are going to just knit 1, purl 1 across the row. Row 4 is the same. Knit 1, purl 1, back across row 4 to finish off our repeat, and then we're going to return with knit 2 rows and then knit 1, purl 1 for 2 rows. And the in the round pattern will be included in the blog post if you guys want to do this one in the round. So it's linked in the description below. All right, finished product with our 4 rows is our hurdle stitch. So there you go. So we've got our lines and our bumps, which mimics running hurdles. Hopefully you guys can see all the texture in this one. Love this one. Nice and easy, beginner friendly for sure. And if you guys like any or all of our videos, go ahead and hit the like buttons of your favorites and watch this video next because it is the next one in the series. So we are doing our honeycomb stitch tomorrow. Come on back tomorrow to watch the next one. All right, we'll see you then.